Hello, my name is Greg Paielli. I'm president and broker of Simply Property Management. I often get asked, who pays for the maintenance of my property? That's a great question. The answer to that is, it depends. And it depends on a couple things. Routine maintenance and any maintenance to any of the components of your home is the responsibility of the owner at all times. So if it's regular wear and tear and maintenance, or the air conditioner just, goes out, or the roof needs to be replaced, the owner is responsible in all of our leases to immediately get those types of things fixed. Now, in the event that there's a resident in the home and they have caused the damage that has caused the air conditioner to break, or that caused a hole to be put in the wall or the door, or the garage door got ran into, or whatever, then the owner is still responsible to get it fixed and pay for it. But we then charge the tenants on their ledger, and they have to pay us in order for us to reimburse you on the damages of it. If I can be of any service, or you have any questions about this type of thing, feel free to give us a call. I'd love to talk to you about it.